The Late Heavy Bombardment and Life's Early Ingredients. Around 4 billion years ago, the solar system experienced a period of intense asteroid activity known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. During this time, Earth was bombarded by massive space rocks, delivering critical ingredients for life such as water and organic molecules. These impacts helped shape the planet's surface, creating early oceans and providing the building blocks necessary for the formation of life. The delivery of water by asteroids and comets during this period turned Earth into a blue planet, setting the stage for the chemical reactions that would eventually lead to the first microbial life. Alongside water, these celestial objects also brought complex carbon-based molecules, which are fundamental components of DNA and proteins. While the bombardment caused widespread destruction, the heat generated by these impacts helped create hydrothermal vents and underwater environments where life may have first emerged. These vents offered a stable, energy-rich habitat shielded from the harsh surface conditions of the time. This chapter in Earth's history highlights the dual nature of asteroid impacts. They were agents of chaos but also catalysts for creation, underscoring the delicate balance between destruction and renewal that defines our planet's history.